MongoDB in less than 50 minutes. So the target of this video section is to give you a good know-how of MongoDB in less than 50 minutes. So after this video, using the accompanying documents, you will be able to work out the key sections of MongoDB in ease. We'll be covering most of the commonly used key topics of MongoDB. In this video section, we are going to cover these topics. The first one is the basics, where we'll be learning about the basics of MongoDB. The second one, we'll be seeing about CRUD operations on MongoDB using Mongo Booster client. We'll be seeing quite some queries in this example. Following this, we'll be learning about capped collection and TTL. These are very easy and important. Then we'll be learning about regex, full text search, and finally gridfs and aggregation. These are very easy and important. So our time starts now. So this is the PDF which is available in the resources section of this lecture. This has 11 steps. Each step has its own queries and examples. The step 1 is to learn why MongoDB is different and a simple overview about MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. As you know, it's a leader. NoSQL primarily offers two features, that is the schemaless feature and the second one is horizontal scalability. So these are the two things you need to remember about a NoSQL database. So MongoDB is like a Word document which is completely structureless and you can put anything into anything. Whereas the traditional databases like Oracle, MySQL or like Excel sheet, where the data will be arranged in tabular format. So this is the primary difference between MongoDB and the traditional database. There are three key things you need to remember about MongoDB. That is, it stores data in document format. The data will be in JSON format. And finally, you need to learn about the methods available in MongoDB. That is very, very important. So this diagram shows the important components of MongoDB. We have a MongoDB server. Under that, you can have many databases. Under databases, we have collections. Collection is a group of documents. So this is simple. Server has databases, database has collections, and collections will have documents. I have connected to my local instance of MongoDB using a RoboMongo client, and you can see how the data is organized in a collection. The document will be of JSON type and it will be saved in binary format that is called BSON. To know about JSON, please open the document which is in the resources section. Click on the sample JSON structure. There is a Wikipedia link. On clicking this, it shows a simple personal details JSON. As you can see, we have key value pairs, both are string. Then we have collection of key value pairs. So this is called object. Then we have age as a number. And then we have an array. Back to the document. To have a very quick reference about JSON, click on this link. This gives you a clear idea about a JSON data type. For instance, we have array here, we have Boolean, it supports null value, we have number values, and this is called an object in JSON. Then we have the regular string key value pairs. So this example can give you a good understanding about JSON data types. I'm in the reference documentation page of MongoDB. As you can see, the operations in MongoDB are done using methods. For instance, this find method is for finding the documents. Find and modify is for finding and modify the documents. So these methods you need to remember. Traditional databases uses SQL, whereas MongoDB uses these methods. So this is the primary thing. So always remember that MongoDB has methods.